Watch this video and learn how to draw a kissing emoji.
Yeah.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, Artie's having a nap. Wakey, wakey, Artie. Are you okay?
Artie, very tired.
Oh. You know, I don't think we should do a drawing today. You should have a nap.
No. Artie wanna make art.
Okay, that's good then.
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't need a nap?
No.
Let's draw an emoji.
Yeah, please.
A kissing emoji.
Okay. Artie make art.
Yes, Artie's gonna make art.
It's so great to see you today.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful to see you too, Betty and Mikey. Okay, little artists, let's start. Draw a little black circle on the left. Now draw a bigger circle around the small one. Be sure to make sure that the bigger circle touches the smaller one. That's great, Artie. Now we're going to draw a wavy shape above the eye, and that's going to be the eyelash. Let's do 3 little lashes. 2, 3. Now let's do another circle around the first 2. All the way round, and then join up with the eyelash at the top. If you're drawing along with Artie, here's a special message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Now, let's shade in those eyelashes a nice solid black. Try and be careful not to go outside of the lines, but if you do, it doesn't matter, it's just a drawing. Okay, that looks about done. Let's just do a pointy end on the end of each lash, just to give it a really fine point at the end. That's excellent, Artie.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Sure is.
Now let's start the top part of the big circle that's going to make up the emoji. All the way around, and then join with the other line. That's right. Now let's do the left side of the circle.
This is looking good.
Now let's do the bottom part of the circle, but leave a space. That's right, Artie. We'll come back to that space in a minute, but now let's draw the kissing lips. This is really easy. All we're going to do is a big number 3. You know what? Let's thicken that number 3 and give it an outline. And now fill it in nice and black. Artie's really concentrating. Try not to go outside the lines. Joke break? Okay, Artie, let's have a joke break.
Did you hear the joke about the broken pencil? It's pointless.
Pointless. Oh, Mikey. Now we're going to draw the right eye, but we're going to do it as if it's winking. So we do a half circle upside down, and then let's double line it and fill it in nice and black. It's a sort of smiley mouth shape, but it's an eye. Very nice job, Artie.
Someone really needs to dust up here.
Remember that gap in the circle? Now we're going to fill that gap in with a heart shape. You're finished? Emojis are usually yellow. What does this need?
What this drawing needs is...
Some color.
Are you all finished, Artie? I really like the yellow colour, and I love the eye with its eyelashes, and I especially love the red heart. You did a great job, Artie.
Wow, that's amazing.
So impressive.
Well, little artists, we hope you followed along and drew your own kissing emoji. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.